In this video we're doing
20 girls night questions.
And we're having Dominos. So oh yeah. Cheers. It's Friday.
Finally drinking wine, no liquor today.
Yeah, no liquor. Nice. Okay, so let's get these questions. Ooh.
Alright, first question. If you could date a celebrity, who would it be and why?
Rihanna. And because I love Rihanna, so of course. I would date Drake too. Because I wouldn't smash Drake. So. Yeah.
For me, to be honest with you, I don't know who.
Really? You don't have nobody in mind? First of all, hold on. Show them the pizza.
Oh.
No, take out. Show it up to the camera like
what?
Take a spot.
Oh.
Yo, she have
it's spinach, mushrooms, and onions. That's normal.
No, I'm not. Like what? Let me show you what's normal.
Pineapples are not normal. That's
pineapples and chicken.
I'm not normal.
It's no more than that. Why is it so hard?
It's not hard. It's
no, I'm talking about the spinach. I mean the mushroom.
It's very soft.
Well, I don't eat onions on mushroom and pizza.
Oh, you missing out.
Oh, that's real good.
How much pieces?
You wanna try it?
It's 10 pieces.
8. Oh, let me show what we have. Open it. Sorry guys, we're we're not on it tonight. But ooh, Alfredo pasta and some mango habanero wings. Ooh, I didn't see that. But what other? Oh, but yeah. So wait, you say you don't got nobody in mind? Oh, no.
I don't want to smash.
Yeah, that was your date.
Honestly, I really can't think of one right now. There's not one that's jumping out at me.
Damn.
I'm gonna pass on that one. I don't really have one. What's the weirdest dream you ever had?
Weird.
That popcorn got damn season.
You do it.
I got no seasoning. Like, come on.
Let me take that.
You can see it don't got no seasoning.
It does look dry. Look, it's like
it looks dry as hell.
That's bad. You're lucky to be hungry. You're lucky to be hungry, too. But yeah, the weirdest dream I had is... Okay, so when I eat late, I have crazy weird dreams like about death and gunshots and...
What?
Like gunmen, like with guns. I have weird dreams like that when I eat late at night. I don't know. I'm the only one that happens to it.
The weirdest dream I have. Every time in a dream and I have a gun, it never shoots.
What?
I always have a gun, but it never shoots. I find it to be weird.
That is weird.
Because it be loaded.
You be loaded but don't shoot.
I be shooting the bad guys, but nothing come out the gun.
When you were younger, what did...
My cousin.
I just want to say men is no husband.
That was
Dominos.
that was good ass. Hey.
Hi.
Oh no! Don't no. Is this alive?
No.
Live.
Oh. How you doing?
Put it down.
When you were younger, what did you want to be when you grew up?
I want to be a dentist.
Okay, younger, I don't remember what I wanted to be, but I think like in my mid-20s, I was thinking about being a masseuse.
Why?
Huh? You said why?
Yeah.
I don't know, I just like, it was just, that was what I wanted to be. She said why? You gonna put me in the spot like that? Yeah, cooking wasn't on my mind at that time. But yeah. Next question.
If you had to watch one movie for the rest of your life, which movie would it be?
One movie for the rest of my life. That's hard.
Good night, guys.
This is so good.
Yeah.
The pineapple on the pizza. Oh, yeah, we got chicken.
Oh, try that.
Yeah, this pasta is just like trash.
It's trash from
Trash.
hungry.
Exactly. That's the only reason why we eating it, because we hungry.
Okay.
Oh, what did you say?
What movie would you watch for the rest of your
Oh,
life?
damn. It's Friday on top of my head right now. Friday.
Friday?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I will watch One Love. You know One Love?
Oh, with Kimani Mali.
I love that movie.
I had that DVD.
I love that movie.
I love that
Like,
movie.
I could, like, that's the only movie I ever watched, like, back to back.
She
to
obsessed
back.
with him at this point.
Back to back. Yo, I swear that's the only movie I ever watched back to back to back.
I watched the movie before. I like it.
I love that movie.
With that girl, I think it's the artist girl too. What's her name?
Mm-hmm.
I forgot her name.
Tashine? Is that her name?
Who?
I don't know.
Oh,
Where I got that name
I
from.
want to see her on there. Idris Elba's in that movie too.
Who?
Idris Elba. Oh, her name is Shireen.
Shireen.
Shireen Anderson.
See, I said
Oh, you was
Tashine.
close. You was close. Yeah, Idris. I remember. Oh, I forgot Idris was in there. It's a long time I watched the movie though.
I love that.
Yeah, that movie. I like that movie too.
I love that movie.
Okay.
What would your perfect date be?
Okay. In the summertime or
Anytime.
okay. Okay, in the summertime, my perfect day would be at a park, like with a picnic, by the water. Could be home cooked food or we order food, but a picnic. Or picnic on a beach, a park or a beach. There's something romantic, you know? What about you?
Mine would be a water park. That's a perfect day. Going to a water park. Me and my husband did that in December.
A
We
water
had-
park?
Yes, we had the best time.
Okay,
It was so fun. Like without the kids, like
yeah.
it was really fun.
Interesting.
Yeah, it was fun.
This pasta is really like
It's
have no
bland.
taste. Which one is this?
Alfredo.
No, I'm saying which Domino's is this?
I think this one down the block on Broadway.
Trash. Oh my god. Look at this. There's no sauce. There's no sauce.
You can't see there's no sauce, no
There's
seasoning.
no sauce. Look at the damn pasta. I want my money back. Trash. Go ahead.
What's the earliest memory you could think of?
Christmas with my family.
From the youngest you ever was?
Oh, you said what?
It means like the
When I'm
earliest
young?
memory, like from
When I'm younger? When I was younger?
like the youngest.
Oh, I thought you mean recent. Okay. Christmas. When our dad used to wake us up for Christmas morning.
How old?
I was a teenager. Like I think like
Do you
probably the
remember?
first.
Do you remember anything before that?
Like it was that was in Jamaica. Okay, so childhood memories like when I was in Jamaica with my family and Oh, we always play games on Sundays. Like
How old
like
you
hopscotch, volleyball,
How
with my
old
cousins
are you?
and stuff. 10. Yeah, because I came when I was 11, so 10 or 9. Yeah, like hopscotch. But on Sundays we always have family day. You could call that family because it's really us like family members playing hopscotch, volleyball. That's the hopscotch. That's what the thing, right? With the boxes on the floor.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I have to do it. Okay, and jump rope. Yeah, yeah. That was it. Okay,
I remember when I was 3.
I don't remember that far.
I can remember because my mother was pregnant with my brother.
Okay.
And we used to listen to her stomach when she was pregnant. I can remember that.
Oh.
And I can remember the day they brought him home. I was almost 4. I was still 3. And I remember I put my hand out for my mother to put him in my arm.
Mm-hmm.
She put him real quick and took him back. I can remember that.
Oh, so you not to drop him?
Yeah, I was mad with him.
If you could live anywhere in the world without having to worry about leaving friends, family behind, where would you want to live?
I told my husband I want to move to Miami.
Miami.
Yes.
I would go to. I would go to Paris.
To live there for the rest of your life?
Yeah. Yeah.
You can only drink one brand and type of alcohol for the rest of your life. Well, what is it?
But I'm not a drinker like that.
Me? That's a hard question for me.
I bet it is.
I think it would be wine and
A brand?
some Home Moscato. Probably.
Okay, so I like Amsterdam or Pinnacle. I haven't had Pinnacle in a while though, but I like fruity liquor. I don't like dark liquor. So. And I recently started drinking wine, so I don't know the brand. Well, I'll just say Amsterdam or Pinnacle. So for wine, I don't know the brand because I'm still, double dabble with wine. What is your favorite thing about each person in the room?
I like Anna K's drive.
Aww.
She's very into your YouTube channel. And you're consistent with it, which is a good thing.
I need to be more consistent though. I should be uploading like every day. That's consistent. But I'm consistent. Honestly, I
That's
appreciate
true,
you.
but you work and stuff,
Yeah.
That's least you,
Yeah, that's true. Oh, I appreciate that.
You should pay attention to your channel.
Yeah. Okay, my favorite thing about Kimberly is this girl know how to have fun. Okay, she know how to have fun. Like, she's not a boring friend. I was going to say. She know how to have fun. Damn, I have one piece left. Ooh, look at that. Eat up. That pineapple. Billy chicken. Oh, that pineapple.
Would you rather start a romantic relationship with someone knowing it will eventually end, or never be a romantic relationship again?
Oh, gosh. Wait, knowing it would eventually end. Oh, that's a...
No. Why would I do that? The whole point of getting into a relationship is hoping that it goes somewhere.
Right.
So, I wouldn't want to do that.
Oh. Yeah, I don't want it to end, so I think I'll do the same thing. What's the sexiest item of clothing you've worn?
Obviously, a lingerie.
Right.
If you could have a one-night stand with no strings attached, who would it be with?
Oh, I gotta tell you, who would it be with? Could it be anybody?
Yeah.
Rihanna. No, I want you to attach with Rihanna. I'm bugging.
Huh?
I want you to attach with Rihanna.
Go stalk her. Me. Come on, Molly. Hey.
Oh.
Wait a minute. He's my celebrity crush. He is. I forgot about him.
See, that's something. For the first question, was that
He is my celebrity crush. I love him.
What's the craziest thing you've done when what?
Inebriated.
What do I mean?
And he was drunk.
Yeah, I know this already.
Let me see.
Yeah, I know this already. I said it in the past videos. If you watch past videos, you know what I'm talking about.
Oh
no!
I was at this big party.
Mm-hmm.
It was big.
Mm-hmm.
And it was like, oh, there's people, there's a DJ on stage. And because I was drunk, I would never go on stage to dance. But because I was drunk, I was trying to go on stage to dance. And then my cousins kept holding me back. But I was still trying to go. And I almost made it on the stage, but then they snatched me off the stage because they know I'd embarrassed myself.
Wow.
But I kept trying to go.
You were determined, huh?
Yeah.
Yo.